In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open Just Eat Radar account in the UK. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to open a Just Eat Radar or Courier account in the UK, you will need to follow a bunch of steps. In this video, I'm gonna go over all of the steps and also the eligibility requirements. So before we start talking about the steps, you will need to meet these requirements. First, be 18 years old or older. You need to have a reliable vehicle, either being a car, a motorbike, or a bicycle with valid insurance. You cannot skip this. You need to possess a valid driver's license, own a smartphone, either Android or Apple, with a data plan to be using the latest version of the Just Eat Courier app. You need to have a bank account to receive your earnings and be eligible to work in the United Kingdom. With all of these requirements met, out of the way, to actually open your account, visit the official Just Eat Courier website or the mobile app, whatever you prefer. So either go to a web browser and access this website that I'm displaying on screen, or look for the Just Eat Courier app on the Google Play Store or the App Store. When you download the app or you visit the website, you will be able to select Apply Now and go through the setup form, where you can sign up using your email address, phone number, full name, set up a password, and as long as you include all of this basic information, you will be able to proceed. Once you do, go forward with the application form, you will have to present some documents for verification, being your driver's license, the vehicle insurance, and proof of work eligibility, for example, a passport. Once you present all of these documents, they will be reviewed, and if they are valid and legitimate, they will be approved, and your account will be able to access the Just Eat Courier portal when you visit the website. In the Just Eat Courier portal, you will be able to watch some learning videos, pass a background check, and of course, provide your bank information to receive your earnings. After all of this is done, you might need to purchase Just Eat thermal bags for food delivery or get approval for using your own bags, and all of this can be managed through the latest version of the mobile app. So after you are done with the application process, make sure that you download the Just Eat Courier app. I hope I was able to help you on how to open Just Eat Radar account in the UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.